What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to be telling you how to make the perfect jasmine long grain rice, okay? So let me get my microphone all set up. Today we're going to be making this rice. It's going to come out thick, it's going to come out long, it's going to come out perfect, all right? So first we're going to be taking our rice. Now many of you guys think that you know how to make the white rice, but this is jasmine long grain white rice, right? So it's the jasmine type. So you want to take your rice, you want to put it inside your rice cooker at first, right? You're going to use that as the bowl. You can use a bowl if you want to, you can use any other bowl if you want to, but what I'm telling you is use the pot that you're giving in, take it, go ahead and wash it. Now you're already 44 seconds into the video. Listen, so how much rice did we put inside the rice cooker? This was 2 cups. If you're doing 1 cup of rice, that ain't this video. You're gonna at least need to do 2 cups of rice for this recipe. Why is that? Because I'm giving you rice now, and so you can have rice later. The rice that we're making now, you can be able to heat later. It's gonna taste good later. It's gonna be able to be used for fried rice, for all sorts of other recipes. 2 cups of rice for this recipe here. You're gonna wash it with your hand. You're gonna mix it around just like that. You're gonna mix it up 1, 2, 3 times. The water's gonna be cloudy. That's how you know it ain't gonna be good. So you're gonna get the rice, move your hands around. You got to get it moving some. I know some people use a strainer and a bowl and all that, but just wash it until it's uncloudy. Next, you're gonna get your garlic salt. You want this one, the Lawry's. Then you're gonna get yourself some Knorr, that caldo de pollo, right? Caldo de pollo, right? So you're gonna get that Knorr style bouillon. You can use the different bouillon, but I'm telling you to use the Knorr caldo de pollo bouillon, right? You're gonna layer this garlic salt on. I say about 2 tablespoons, right? It's roughly about 2 tablespoons there in the pan. Then you're gonna get you 2 tablespoons of Knorr. It's gonna be mixed on just like that. Don't add the water just yet. You think you know what you're doing with the rice, but I'm telling you, add it in there. You want to mix it around. You have that little bit of water left up inside of there. You want to mix it around with your hand. That's going to get on top of the rice. You need it all to stick to the rice. If you was to add it in after you put the water in there, it's all going to float on top. Now, wait a minute. Okay, so you seen that I put the garlic salt inside of there. You seen that I put the Knorr inside of there. I don't want you thinking that you're going to get cute or something on the rice. You're going to add peas and carrots and chicken and beef, or beef bouillon, or vegetable bouillon, something different. Add what I told you to do in the video, just the garlic salt and the chicken bouillon, and I guarantee you, you're gonna have some good rice. Don't get cute. You want to do something different. You want to do something special. That's not what this video is about. Do what I'm saying real quick. Just real quick. Just try this one out, okay? It's all gonna float on top, and you're not gonna get the same results here. You need to mix that around, and it's gonna make your rice turn a little bit a tinge to know that bouillon settling in there. Next, you may have thought that it was the 1 part water for every 2 cups of rice, right? So 1 cup of rice equals 2 parts of water. So you're wrong. So you're making it in a rice cooker. You want that rice to come out the way that I showed you at the beginning of the video. It's gonna come out. You're gonna need 3 cups of water and 1/4 cup of water, right? Measure it out. 3 cups of water, 1/4. No more, no less. If you did add more, it's gonna come out mushy. If you did add less, it's gonna come out drier. So 3 and 1/4 cups of water in there. Add it up in there. All right. So I want you to think about it this way. Would you look like burning rice inside of a rice cooker? You know what I mean? If you didn't add enough water, would you look like burning rice inside of a rice cooker? Anyway, continue. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna have that tinge in there. You're gonna have the rice. Take your rice cooker. Go ahead, take it back to the pot. Then sit it in there. You think I didn't have to tell you this, but you do. You gotta take that back to the pot. You gotta put it inside of there. Then you're gonna hit your own button and hit that white rice. Not brown, not keep warm, white rice, and then bam. You're going to have yourself the perfect long grain jasmine white rice with some garlic and chicken bouillon flavor. And there you have it, the perfect white long grain jasmine white rice. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Hopefully you guys do make the perfect white rice. If you want more rice recipes, if you guys want more rice recipes, try to say that 10 times fast, go ahead and say it down in the comment section below. I'll bring you more rice recipes, right? Go ahead and watch that pan seared cast iron skillet video I got on the channel here. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.